ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kinong hikay ki samla puli ka school ba nehu, kilapan pa ba ki sngohon halor ka jingya kendo ya arngot kyo pasar ki bawan ka Ministry of Education ka Sarkar India. Habakren chikilap thak hubor President ka nehu ta, u Professor Lakhon Kamaul ong ba ka jaya kendo ikini ki arngot kyo pasar ka Sarkar pedeng kalong ka baseso hadin ba ka nehu, kalamat ka kenrum kenram labun benay menta. Henry Hakajogo por luong ba, ulapin sngaw, hakinikiyo pasar ka Sarkar India. Makimla ban padiang dalele ban wan rabyang yu Vice Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. Katkum ngajingong Professor Lakhon kinikiyo pasar kiladon kadakashin makipeni wat lakim kwa banya thuru. Bat kermen bakin aya ka kaipot ka babhana ka benta ka jingbit jingbyang ka nehu. Hakabayde bakakai pot jing tokit ka baminshwa, kinikiyo pasar kim shimlay thuk bali ka slam ban say madan, henriki ong ba kadang don haka jing bishar banya. Haka jokopor usamla Ricky Deiburam Rabon, Vice President ka Nehusu, mad usamla Kevin Nelson Wanrap, General Secretary ka KSU Nehu Unit, kilapan pa baka jing yakren bat kiniki arngot kiyo pasar kalong ka basngobyang henrekin saap ya ka jingmi. Kaway kabakilapan pa kalong badalele kinumpadyang show yung Professor Shukla paunwan biyang kumu VC Hanehu.
It was a very fruitful discussion because the whole idea was look like the team came here to assess the situation that how we are doing with or without the regular VC and certainly now without the regular VC. And I think we could convey the problem in the first meeting was the problem of the department and the school as such. But when we said as Nehuta just now, we highlighted and they know what is important. I don't have to repeat. I think you all have been here since November last year and you know what has happened. And certainly they also know that it has become very, very untenable for him to even, let's say, think of returning to campus for sure. But what will be the solution is still being worked out, that how do we resolve the matter, because apparently they are keen to resolve the matter and we are also as a university, as Teachers Association, I think we are very keen to resolve this so that the impasse actually goes off. There has been some modalities that seems to be on the plate, but we have not yet finalized on any of those. Naturally they have finished meeting us, they are meeting Nehusu and after that Nehunsa and other stakeholders. The only thing is we are positive after meeting them that seems like they are willing to find a solution so that Nehu comes back to normalcy. And that is where I would I don't want to add anything more because things are only evolving because they are still here for next 5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very, very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. Should not be an option at all. Well, indeed, we have asked, and they don't seems to have any reply because they said yes, it is being investigated. But I feel that probably they didn't convey us because we indeed started the meeting that before we start the meeting, please tell us what is the outcome of that inquiry committee. But they said that no, we have finished the inquiry, we are still studying. But look like apparently they have already made up their mind. But what it is exactly, they are still not sharing with us. But we can only read between the lines. But they have not categorically said what is the outcome of that committee.
Did Professor Shukla attend the meeting through video conference?
No, certainly not. I don't think it is proper or it will be appropriate for him because this committee independently came here to assess the situation, that when he's not here, what is the situation and what is the problem being faced by the university. I'm sure at different capacity, at different level, maybe he's interacting with the team that we don't know, we are not privy to it. But with the meeting of stakeholders in NEHU, he is not part of it at all. It is the acting Vice Chancellor, Professor S.M. Sungo, who is doing the needful and facilitating the process, convening the meetings and helping in the whole setup. And Professor Shukla is nowhere to be seen during these interactions.
Okay, thank
Ke kumba pi la tibi ba nila dan ke jingtip ba kinban na ministry ban pe ya ke university jungi ma te man batik hi nila ya sen ya kasiti ya poro ki stakeholders jong ke university jungi ban lang ban bat bet ya betul ka nongrim jungi bagi nam sya syo ke nya Shukla tak mo ke nuru te kunta hi long ke jingwan jungi nila appreciate sisa ki bakilawan nang ba long kat kum ka jing ong joki kila ong hiba kani ka jingwan joki amdai baki wan ba employer no kiwan man ay kata ka resolution ke bangi ngila up na do menno te ngiru ngila don hi ka jing kerman ba kani ka jingwan joki kan wan ra ke result ka bolong ba accept da baro ki stakeholders in university
te ke ka resolution par bayo lekin ke bali ka report ka slam har ta kita ministry
Katkum ka jikip jungi ya report ka jing slam ka kita tengim la ban ong no ang ba ka resolution ru menta kidang ong kila ong hingi kila kular hingi ba ki ong ba la dami kono kata ka resolution ru kalong ba ka ba bah dengan mata jungi kata hi katkum kumbang ong ipi ba ka resolution kalong ba ka kalong ka ai ka bah bat ni kermen ru ba ya Shukla kinam ailat su bat lada long ke result ke balong opposing ipat ke bangi musngo tenan te kata hingi tengin yang scam ba yo Shukla te dalelero nginam syari benro
pigli na mi last time
hoy ni kelihi tang ba kiong ba kila simaksoni halor keturu tang ba kesimpor bat badan ki problem beseto sene takadaw ka kaslam gen
ke iwe de agenda
kiwe pat ki agenda ngila ya thu iki ba mentahi ke university long nadu ba bomdon Shukla kan kala long kham smooth ke jingyat ke proses ngila yo ki development ki aka badru ngila batai ki ba ki labs ai ginohi ka ai recruitment ai ba kila slow palat te kituro kila sengap hingi ka kedon kata ke mutual understanding ba batngi batki hapor bayakan kila sengap thu hi kata batki ong ba kinle ke badan kam
ini ka accept nem ni apa meeting si
Hoi, yo ka arkan council lang kila accept na ministry barkala ya smooth hi menen barkikam kiba la disrupt na do kutu kapor ma bala lang kutu kan because bala last year te kala ya inta
nakalian ka ki isu ni unit harkat ka jingai trekam lang rungkat bat ka ni husu menen ka sing layo jing te bakin wan bini ki arngot ki tu na po ka Ministry of Education te marmar ntahi menen ka sing la draft ka city na yang pro atli kiseng hakaba ning pediang subah gini pro atli ki arngot ki biwan apa Ministry of Education tambala dak kiwan harkat ka jingdan Shukla ngin pediang yo Shukla namar latep hi ke bejah po ni university po jinglam jong te menepat menem step ni yo jing tep ba kinwan bet tek tang maki tengi ru na kalian jungi ni pediang yaki te ni sutna ru haju por kilak ailang ya ka por pani kendo ini te na kalian ke jungi nila yo ban pensmo yaki mat ki jura ka bangi kendo kini ki si stem ki blalai kam tam ru kunjo ka por ba jingelam jong meu Shukla te nakaliang kajungi nila pensmo shibun ki aka bat ni storo ba hakan ke por katanya ba umdan pat ni Shukla la simti shwan kong Profesor Saha hadian kumju Madam Sungo hakan ke por ni sto ya kajing ya bet ya nanti ki classes kajing ya ka development ka dan hapo ka university berok kawai ni sedang banyo kita ki basic necessities ki jongi ki ba ke hi bangi dan kam nadu kasrok kaya lenti ki footpath ki street lights kini kita kilala ben urlong pat ha ka jingelam jong i Madam Sungo bat Hashwa jong Profesor Saha te ni laban suturu ba ha ka jingelam pat jong i Madam Sungo henden ka singal dan ka academic council te ha ka ba shibun palat cispa tam kino hikai kila iwan hakani kapo hakani ka academic council kata ka pin isai ya ka jinglong tre hok jong ini Madam Sungo but na kalian ka jungi students su menen ka singi la yo simbetalang ha ka academic council but ka pin ya ka jing shania teli tolong jungi students but kumju ki no hikai ha ka jinglam lenti jong i Madam Sungo but hagaju opwaro kumbang laong ba menen kasing la draft kashiti ya kata kajing wan jung ni arngot ki napo Ministry of Education ngi piang iki Henry kajing wan jung professor Shukla minum piang dalele tang kata hi kadai kawai kamat ka bapangsan nadu singi ni kong bangi syong baniki lakalong hapo paper bengila penya nadu ki snam gi blalen ne nadu hadu tu singi bengia syong syak tangan ru kata kaju sur keban mi nang ni syakmat ba nginu dalele ngin pudiang yu professor
Ke ba da kiji thir
ila yo ban keran shibun ki mat ki bapangsan khamtam me ki hostel issues ki library issues ki infrastructure kajing duna jugi na hikai bat ka bejing bamdan ka recruitment hapo Henry nakaliang juki ni sutanat bekila sngap bat ki ongru ya kita gi issues kinsa shim kya bat kinsa le ke badan kam haki sngi bla ki bat sawan
bidi bu Shukla
nila pensgo ki jing bat ni pensgo ba iki ya ka badai bat ki kat kum ki si ki bengila trekam ki jungi nila pensgo ba haka tenir ke jong sngo shim la le wat tang iwe basic necessities ke ba ulak pensim karai kade ke bajing bat jeng ben ngi ki students tang kita hi bat nakaliang jong ru ngila ula kubur bakidegi eki baret ke area ke ba kum vice chancellor ula hi ban simti Henry uklam simla le bat ngiru ngila pensngo ba hakatanir jukini ki arngot ki provisi ki bla wan pan kilala ban pendap iki teki kiru ki ongkin sele ke ba hatam kamdan satya kum kata ke ba yu Henry nakaliang jungi ngila persang ru ban ong ban pha no uni Shukla syakawi pat ka university pha ka transfer ne kan katai Henry nakaliang jungki kem simla ai kan nu pat ka jing pentikena bakin le kata Henry ka voice la ni ka sur jungi ki student si iba pulih hapo kan ka school ba ni hu badalele ngidum pudiang syu yo uni professor Shukla